Hey guys, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today you join me taking a look at one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500s. This particular truck is finished off in Satin Steel Metalic and has a fantastic look thanks to the ZRX package from Tuscany. This features a full BDS suspension lift kit. As you can see, it has a great ride height. Starting up front real quick, we have a nice subtle accent. The Chevy bow tie is color matched to the truck. We also have the body colored front bumper and then these really nice body colored fender flares. Moving down low, we have a set of satin black 20-inch wheels. We also have Tuscany's custom red brake caliper covers. And then if we look into the suspension components, you can notice the stabilizer bars that are painted in red to give it a nice touch. Moving our way down the Silverado, this is a lifted truck, and one thing I really like, it has a set of power running boards. Opening up the doors, these automatically come out, very quick and easy to use. And then as soon as you close the door, they automatically retract. And then as we go ahead and take a look at the rear, we have the same wheel and tire setup. And then moving to the back, we have the ZRX off-road logo right here, a nice side step part of the Silverados, and a color matched rear bumper. And then something I really like is this really nice custom exhaust system. We have dual tips finished off in a matte black, and it has a fantastic sound. And then moving on to the interior, the side steps come out again. I really do love the seats that this truck comes with. We have black leather in the centers and then a micro suede all on the sides as well as the interior. And then we even have ZRX off-road embossed into the leather up top. Some nice subtle details right there. And then as we move inside, we have carbon fiber trim all around, really giving this a sporty design. And then the gauges even have a nice trim bezel all around them saying the ZRX, which is a really cool touch. As we move to the rear seats now, this is a full crew cab, so we have the full 4 doors. Opening this up reveals so much space in the back of the Silverado. And again, we have the same seating fabric with the leather and then the micro suede over on the edges. Really cool two-tone design. And then like your standard Silverado, we have pockets in the rears of the seats just to give you extra storage. So we are now setting off in the 2020 Silverado 1500 with the ZRX package from Tuscany off-road. So one thing I really like with a truck like this, we buy them just like the way you're seeing them. Tuscany is a company all around making a truck that is brand new, still drive and ride just like a brand new truck, even with a massive lift kit, wheels and tires on it. And already driving this, getting up to some speed, taking some sharp turns like that, it drives like a factory Silverado. There's nothing weird about it. Everything is put together exactly the way you would expect. Truck is driving perfectly straight, the alignment is on check, and everything just feels like a nice new truck, the way you'd want your Silverado to feel. Another really cool thing, the speedometer has been calibrated for these larger tires. That way you have no issues there. And then as we drive with this insane BDS suspension system, one of the top suspension companies out there, it rides very, very nicely. It's absorbing all these bumps. I'm on a really bad road right now, and this does not feel like a bad road. It's very smooth feeling. I'm enjoying the ride quality that you get. Hitting some bigger bumps, it tackles it with no issues. And then being a 2020 Silverado, of course the interior is very nice. I'm loving these seats with the two-tone, the leather, and that micro suede. It just gives it a sporty and premium design. And then with all the carbon fiber to it, it just really makes it stand out. And then that custom exhaust from Tuscany. Let's hear this V8. Gently on the gas, has a really good rumble to it. That is one good sounding truck. And then when you are up and driving, there is zero drone whatsoever. You don't hear it. Just whenever you give it some gas, you hear a little bit back there, which is a nice touch. But under normal driving, it drives very comfortably, smooth and quiet. I'm really enjoying just cruising in this. And then as far as just the visibility being in a nice lifted truck, you feel like you're the king of the road driving in this truck. I can see up and over every other vehicle. I just feel like I'm on top of the world. And then the overall comfort, just sitting in here, good armrest, really good view out. I think it's a really well-balanced truck given the ride height and the overall sizing of it. It's not too big, but it's not a stock truck either, so you know you're in something a little special. And then just getting it to some speed, turning these larger wheels with the V8 engine, no issue for the truck. Of course, this is a pretty powerful V8. I mean, we're getting right up to speed, barely even giving it some gas, and we're moving. So there's a good look at one of our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500s. This one equipped with the Tuscany ZRX off-road package. If you have any questions about this truck or would like to schedule a test drive and take it out for yourself, you can check out all of our contact information down in the description below.